Hello and welcome back to my Kotlin tutorial series. So in today's video, we will dive into data classes in Kotlin. If you have ever worked with objects that primarily hold data, so data classes can make your life a lot easier. We will explore what data classes are, why and when you should use them. And of course, we will go through some real world examples. So let's get started. So what are data classes? A data class is a special type of class in Kotlin which is designed to hold data. What makes it unique is that Kotlin automatically provides important methods like toString, equal and hash code for free, which saves you from writing a lot of boilerplate code. So let's create a data class here, and for that I'm going to use the word data here, and here I'm going to create a user class here, and this user class is going to have two values, name which is going to be a string type and age which is going to be an integer type. Okay, so with just one line of code, Kotlin generates the toString, equal, hash code and even a copy function for us. So let's see an example how to use a data class here, and for that I'm going to create a main function here, and inside this main function I'm going to create an object of this user class, and I'm going to assign values to these two properties here, and it is going to be a age and name. Now let's create one more object here, and I'm going to assign the same data, and the object name is user2. Now let's print the name and age using this object. Now let's compare these two objects here and see what is the output here. Okay, now first let's run this, then I will explain this. Okay, so on this line, so the toString method is used which provides a readable string representation of this object. Okay, and on this line it uses the equals function, which basically checks if two objects have the same property values or not. So here the values of these two objects here is same, so it is returning true here. So let's see a real world example here. Imagine you are building a shopping app. You can use a data class to represent products. So now let's create a data class of product here, and this product is going to have two properties, name of the product and the price of the product. Now let's create an object of this product class, and I'm going to create a product one here. Okay, so here I have created an object of this product class here, and I'm going to assign a value. First I'm going to assign the name of the product, and the second one is the price of the product here. Okay, now I'm going to create another object from the product one object here, and for that I'm going to use a copy method. Okay, and I'm going to use product one object here, and I will use the copy method, and here I'm going to change the price only. Okay, so for I am going to remove this one. So inside this object, So I'm going to define the price here. Okay, so inside this object I'm only going to change the price of this product. The name would be the same inside this product. So this is how you can use a copy function to create a new object with different value. Okay, now let's print the result here. Okay, and I'm going to print the product 2 as well. Let's see what it prints into the console. So as you can see, it has given us the expected output here. So data classes are perfect when you need to store immutable data like user details, product or orders. You want to compare objects by their content, not their reference. You can use them when you need a simple way to make copies of objects with slight modifications. And that is all about data classes in Kotlin. They are perfect for simplifying your code when working with data heavy objects. Whether you are building a shopping app, a user management system, or any other application with data models, data classes are your go-to solution. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.